a banana orange smoothie. If you're looking for a drink to prevent high blood pressure, this is the drink for you. Cut your oranges and bananas. Go ahead and plop in your bananas into the blender. Add some honey for sweetness and don't forget to add your orange juice. Pour it into your preferred cup. Add a few cubes of ice. Enjoy! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It would help a lot. And let's see how the baby likes it.